Complete finish na single touch para sa dream house mo? Reserve now for only 50,000. Hi everyone! Lady again for another house tour sa ating Celestina model with minimum 200 square meter lot area and 132 square meter floor area. It has 5 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. As you can see, naka-full fence and gate na ang house mo with basic landscape and nakatiles na rin sa ating car garage. As you enter, very spacious na living area ka na connected sa lanay area. May mga built-in cabinets na rin sa kitchen area mo and naka-double sink na rin ito. Naka-floor to ceiling na rin ang tiles sa ating toilet and bath with lavatory and telephone and rain shower na rin. Very elegant ang style ng house na ito dahil naka-high ceiling na perfect lagyan ng chandelier. Yung stairs is wooden handrails na at naka-transparent glass. Lahat ng doors is mahogany wood and lahat ng rooms ay may free CCTV cameras, smoke detector alarm, fire extinguisher, and may mga built-in closets na rin dito. By the way guys, this house is modified by our client. You can modify your own depende sa floor plan na gusto mo. May meeting with architect tayo so you can choose if naka-cove or drop ang ceiling mo. And if may gusto ka pang ipabago, may water and electricity na rin upon turnover kaya wala ka nang ipapagawa pa at lilipatan mo na lang talaga. Located kami sa Batangas, Laguna, Cavite, Pampanga, Bulacan, Pangasinan at Tarlac. So if interested ka, PM mo lang ako para masis kita agad. Bye!